To change keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you shouldn't actually go into the keyboard settings, because when you go here and open the theme settings, you can only find almost 4 the same themes. So probably you are not looking for something like this. So you have to open the Galaxy Store for the first. Now open apps, and you are looking right now for Good Lock application. And this is the app that we want to download. Open this application when it is downloaded, and right now we have to get Keys Cafe plugin. So you have to click on this button next to the keys name and open until it will be downloaded. And here we can find like super personalization options. So when you go for the keyboard, first of all, you can find some recommendation. If you already find it cool and you like this kind of the theme, you can just tap on it, for example, on the super coin, and click apply. And now take a look, your keyboard looks like this. There's some additional effects over here. And if you don't like it, for example, you can create your own theme. You can change almost anything. So how it looks, you have to click plus over here. And first of all, you can change the background color. So let's say we'll go for this one. Now you have to go for effects. So this is the effect of a keyboard. So when you click on any button like so, you should see this animation in your keyboard background under any of the button. So we can find a multiple of them. Let's say that we are gonna get this one. You can also change the key color. So when you tap it, you will see the different color. So for example, this one, and take a look how it works right now. Now the key motion, 5 default options. For example, let's get this one. There we go. Next, we can even get a sound like this, the classic mechanical keyboard. And right now, it's not finished. You can even change other things. Like by clicking here, you can change the color of a specific button, like literally specific one. You can change all of them, but you can unselect normal and, for example, change only like T, G, or whatever you want. You can also change different color for the function buttons and unselect them and set different for the normal buttons. There we go. And the same for those swiping gestures. The colors of it, if you are using the swiping, the thickness, speed, transparency, and other things. Now we can just go back from this one. And of course we have to save those changes by clicking here. We can set name for our keyboard, click save, and here it is. Now as you can see, we can still edit this if we want, but this is actually quite simple to change it. And here you can also find some other things. So on their keyboards, some kind of the custom gestures that you can add. So as you can see, there's like a lot of things that you can change here. And now, as you can see, when you open the keyboard, it looks just like this with our custom preset. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.